This video is about how to use Model Sim. That is how to code using Model Sim. So Model Sim is a software that we use to code Verilog, VHDL, any type of HDL we can code using Model Sim. So this is a software. This is the This is how the interface looks like. So when you click on the Model Sim icon, you will get this. So first you have to close this. Now we will see how to type the code. So you have to go to File, New, Source. There you have to select Verilog because we are doing the coding in Verilog. So select Verilog, and this is the interface where you have to type. So you will type in this interface. So I already have a code here. So I will paste it. You have to type here. Then once you're done with coding, you have to save it. So I will remove the semicolon. We'll see what happens. So you have to save it. So saving it is as usual. You have to file. You have to save like this, or when you save, make sure that you save with the same name as what you have given here. This is actually the module name. So same name you give for the whole code also. So I've saved it. So once it is saved, you can save it from file, save also, or you can press Ctrl S and then also you'll get the interface to save. Once it is saved, then you have to compile the code. So here compile, this compile also you can select, otherwise this button, see, this button is also for compiling, so you can select this also, compile. So if you select this, then once it is compiled, compiling module example will come. So I have deleted the semicolon there, so there is an error in the code, so we got the error here. So we should go back, check what the error is. See, expecting semicolon or comma. So you should again cross check where the semicolon is missing, and again you can save it and you can compile. So once the compiling is over, now see, there is no error here. In the transcript the error will be displayed, so there is no error here. So done. Once that is done, then we have to simulate it. Simulate. So for that we have to go to simulate, start simulation. Then here in work, you have to select this. Then here the name of the program will come. Select that and press OK. So the code is simulated now. So now once the simulation is over, we have to give the values for the inputs in the circuit. Inputs in the circuit should be given values. So that is either 0 or 1 we should give, then only we will get the output. So if you see this code here, see, input we have 3 variables, x1, x2, x3, and output is f. So we should give values to x1, x2, x3. For that, what we have to do is we have to go to this workspace. See the workspace here, in that all the instances are given. So there you have to go and right click on any values. Actually value will be specified here, x1 x2. So there you have to go and in right click, add to wave. What you have to do is right click on the on any of that, add to wave, all items in the design. All items in the design is select, then the waveform will come. So in the example we have x1 x2 x3 as input and f is the output. All the variables that is present in the program is given here. So example 1 is the name of the program, x1 is the variable, example 1 x2, example 1 x3, and this is the output. So now we have to give the values to the input variables. So for that what we have to do is right click on each variable, then force, right click on each variable, force. Here value, you can see value here. So value you can make it either 0 or 1. I'll make this one 0, x1 is 0. You can give any value. First what you have to do is, given a circuit diagram, you have to draw the truth table. You have to write the truth table, then you will understand for which all input combination the output will be 0, output will be 1. Based on that, you set the input here, you will see what output you get. So here maybe I'll give 1, and for x3 I'll give 0. 0, and have to give OK. Once I set all the input values, here if you see this 3 or this is for run, this is to run the simulation. So if you see this, if you see this symbol, this is for run. So click on that, you will get the output value, and see the value of each variable is set here, st 0 1 0, and output is also 0. We got output as 0. Now what we do is we will change the next. If you want to change the input, again it is the same procedure. Right click on the variable for which you want to change the value, force, and give the value 1. Next again you have to simulate, you have to run. So run the code. See, we got high 1 1 0, and the output is changed to 1. Then if you want to change x3, the same procedure. So we'll make it 1, and run the code once more. See this. So this is how we verify the output given a circuit. So this is how we will work with combinational circuits. Actually doesn't require clock pulse. So this is how we work with it. So if we want to use clock pulse, then we'll see how it happens in the next video. Thank you.